supportive and very active city officials of our city of Palawan. Then by our city mayor, the Honorable John T. Rick Jr., our city vice mayor, the Honorable Rosmar Ayan King, our city councilors, Honorable Fidencio Abandon Aurelio, Honorable Rolando Abrasado, Honorable Felipe O. Santiago, Honorable Maria Luciana Tizon, Honorable Luis Sumalpong, Honorable Severino Salvador Tata Capulso, Honorable Shiloh Hamid, Honorable Pepet Renasha. Also our SK Federated President, Honorable